Hi, everybody. Today we're going to start our vocabulary session. We're going to study different lessons of vocab. We will know the meanings of words, synonyms, antonyms, and how words are pronounced. So let's go to build a better vocabulary. First, how can you find the meaning of new words, unknown words? We have some steps to know the meaning of these new or unknown strange words, like we have types of context clues. These clues like definition clue, synonym clue, antonym clue, and guessing or inference clue. Types of these clues are: number one, definition clue. You can identify words' meaning by showing the word's meaning in the hard or soft dictionary explained in a sentence. Like you can open different types of dictionaries to find the meaning of word. Like happy, it's a state of mood when somebody is this body is smiling or feeling pleased or glad. This is a definition. We have antonym clue. You can identify words by showing the opposite meaning of words like black versus white, gloomy versus cheerful. The third type is synonym clue. This synonym clue to identify words by using words that have the same meaning or similar meaning, such as happy, glad, pleased, dark, black, to find words that mean nearly the same meaning. Then we have example clue, like you need just to give an example or to use this word in an example. So clarifying words by using the word in different examples or sentences. We have also inference or guessing clue. Through this one, you can guess what is before and what is after the word you're looking for. Okay? A word's meaning is not explained in the sentence. You need to look for clues before and after this word, like to guess the whole meaning of the word according to the paragraph or the sentence. Now, let's go directly to practice. Lesson 1. Diplomatic. Diplomatic. It's an adjective. It is concerned with the art and practice of conducting negotiations between nations or relating to or concerned with diplomacy or diplomats, diplomatic relations. Synonym, politic, tactful. Antonyms, tactless, undiplomatic. Sound, diplomatic, diplomatic. And here I have a small picture to show how diplomatic representatives all over the world are gathering to discuss maybe a global or universal issues. Galaxy. Galaxy. It's a noun. Any of the very large groups of stars and associated matter that are found throughout the universe, the world, or group of brilliant or notable persons or things. Synonym, light year or world. Example, like a broad band of light, we call this band the Milky Way. So a galaxy could be a Milky Way. Sound, galaxy, galaxy. This is the Milky Way example, and this is another galaxies. Ghastly, ghastly. Ghastly is an adjective. It's a terrifyingly horrible to the sense, frightening, ghastly crime, something that causes horror or terrifying. Such a life seems ghastly in its emptiness and sterility. Synonym: intensely, unpleasant, disagreeable. Antonyms: clear, cheerful, attractive. Sound: ghastly, ghastly. As you see in these pictures, ghastly driven from ghost, which is an evil spirit. Mortal, mortal. It's an adjective. All human beings are mortals. Like all human beings are subject to decay, and when fate summons, monarchs must obey. Causing or having caused death, fatal, mortal injury. Every living creature is mortal, like subject to death. We're gonna die one day. Synonym: baleful, deadly, deathly, fatal, terminal. Antonym: healthful, healthy, non fatal, non lethal. Sound: mortal, mortal. All human beings are mortals. Velocity, velocity. It's a noun, I think it's famous, a scientific idiom which means speed over direction or something like this. Let's see some meanings. Quickness of motion, speed, like the velocity of sound, rapidity of movement. Synonym: haste, hurry, quickness, rapidity. Antonyms: slowness, slackness. Sound: velocity, velocity. Okay, this, as I told you, velocity equals speed over or plus direction. Planetary, planetary. Planetary is an adjective. It means relating to or being or resembling, okay, having a motion like that of a planet revolving, okay, planet, having or consisting of an a bicyclic train or gear wheels. Synonym: astronomical, gigantic, grand, massive, mega. Antonym: bantam, microscopic, means very small. Sound: planetary, planetary. Yeah, as you see, all these planets. Humane, humane. It's taken from human, humane. It's an adjective. Simply, it's a kind person, marked by compassion, sympathy, or consideration for humans or animals. Characterized by or tending to broad humanistic culture. Somebody who is very sympathetic or very kind, who consider people's feelings. Synonym: compassionate, good-hearted, kind, kind-hearted, sympathetic. Antonym: brutal, brute, brutish, cold-blooded, cruel, heartless, inhumane. Sound: humane, humane. Okay, human, like such a kind person who feels sympathy with all the creatures around, people, animals, whatever. It's, a human character, humane, kind person. Satellite, satellite. It's a noun. It means celestial body orbiting another of large size, a manufactured object or vehicle intended to orbit the Earth, like satellites, artificial moons, the moon, or another celestial body. Example: satellites help meteorologists predict the weather. Example 2: images of planet are sent by satellites. Sound satellite. Satellite. This is a satellite around the earth. Tranquil. Tranquil. It's an adjective. Tranquil is an adjective that means calm and peaceful and without noise, violence, or worry. She started at the tranquil surface of the water. Tranquil, like very calm, okay, suitable atmosphere. Synonyms: calm, hushed, peaceful, placid, quiet. Antonym: boisterous, clattery, deafening, loud, or noisy. Sound: tranquil, tranquil. Okay, tranquil, like people who like to stay and contemplate, think in a very calm atmosphere. Alien, alien, alien. It can modify or describe a strange space creature coming from different planet, but it also has different meaning. Relating to another person, place, or thing, it means strange. An alien environment, like a strange and an unfamiliar environment. Relating or belonging or owning allegiance to another country or government. Okay? So it means as a synonym: foreign, non native person, strange person. The antonym or the opposite is domestic and native person, belonging to the same place. Sound: alien, alien. This is the real alien according to the science fiction movies. He is a creature coming from another planet, not from the Earth. He doesn't belong to the Earth. This is the literary meaning, but according to the context clues, alien means strange and unfamiliar person or idea. Now let's have some exercise about these words. Number one, the word is adjective, means possessing the best qualities of human beings: kind, sympathetic. The answer is humane. Humane. 12. Certain to die eventually, causing death, to the death, very intense, being who will die, especially a human, which is subject to death, which is mortal. 13. Word adjective means planetary. Planetary, referring to a planet or planets, global, wandering, moving in an orbit. These are different meanings for these words. 14. It's a noun: planet, moon, or artificial object that orbits a planet, a dependent person, company, or state. It is satellite. Satellite. 15. It's a word, noun: separate system of stars, group of well-known people. Galaxy. So galaxy could be a group of stars or a group of excellent, distinguished people, smart people. 16. Foreign, strange. As a noun means foreigner, stranger, or being from outer space. As an adjective means foreign or stranger, which is alien. 17. Having to do with official relationships between countries or governments. Tactful. It's an adjective. Diplomatic. 18. It's an adjective: undisturbed, calm, serene, quiet. Tranquil. Tranquil. 19. Adjective: ghastly, horrid, ghost-like, very unpleasant. 20. Rapidity of motion, very speed or very fast, rate of speed. Velocity, velocity. Now we discussed the meanings of 10 words. This is lesson 1. Next time we will deal with another lesson, lesson 2. We will also discuss the meanings and examples of 10 words. So thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.